Buick Saturday. I'm getting ready to paint the dashboard. However, I forgot I don't have this thing masked off yet. I'm going to try something a little different. I was using this vinyl like pinstriping tape. It was a real pain to work with. It didn't stick that good. So I took some regular automotive masking tape and I'm going to try cutting that out with the razor blade. We'll see how that works. Another unique thing is I have a rare opportunity to watch my son iRace. He's doing a 12-hour by himself today. And there's our little grand puppy in the background there. So he's live racing right now. So that's kind of cool. I can watch him do that while I'm putting some tape on. Well, this method seems to be working way, way better than the vinyl tape. One thing I want to comment about is I'm actually using automotive masking tape made for automotive use, and it's kind of expensive, but I'll tell you what, it sticks. And I was a little worried about it sticking if you're covering up some new paint, but the key is to pull real slow. But this stuff is worth the money when you're doing this little precise stuff. You got to have a clean edge and you want it to stick good. So that's cool. And my son is still racing. So if you ever want to check out their races, it's on Twitch TV. Matt Malone. He's still going. He's going to go a full 12 hours, he says. I don't know about potty breaks. That's going to be interesting. It's actually working out pretty good. I cut it with the razor blade and I just pull it. Okay, I got the radio cover screen done, taped off, and now I got to do these. So that'll be my next challenge. They're all done and ready to be painted. I just got to very gently put a little wax and grease remover on, make sure everything's dry before I shoot the sealer on, and we'll be ready to get some black on there. I turned the fan off for a second here just to show you what I got. It's been drying. This is just the sealer. I decided to use black. I'm not sure that was a great idea or not. But anyway, it's been drying for almost an hour and a half, the sealer, so I'm ready to shoot the black. I got the dash, I got these pieces taped off and primed, and the speaker screen is taped off and primed, and the glove box. So we're ready to shoot that with black. First coat of base is on. It went on real nice. What I'm going to do is very carefully go over it and look for any nibs or little spots of dirt or whatever, places I missed. I'm going to go over it real careful. So far everything looks really good. Make sure I got enough paint on it. I'm going to give it one more light coat. And then we're going to wait a while and we're going to shoot the clear. But so far everything looks pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. So I will get the my bright light out and we'll check for little imperfections before I put the next coat on. Well, it's black and it's shiny. It is not perfect. I got a run right there, real nice one. I can get that out. Got a couple little dirt specks here and there. I didn't concern myself with the back area because that's going to be covered with the engine turned aluminum. But I really love that new paint gun. Man, that is awesome. And these came out really nice. Real nice. Okay, that looks like it came out real nice. I am going to have to remove that tape here pretty quick. I'm going to let it sit maybe another hour so it's not tacky anymore. But it's looking pretty darn good. Well, now comes the scary part. Okay, so far so good. We'll get the other ones done and we'll take a look. I managed to get all the tape off without damaging anything. That was a plus. That was a little scary there at first. So it all looks pretty good. Paint's not cured yet. If you touch it lightly, it feels dry, but if you pushed on it real hard, I'm sure there would be a print. But I wanted to get that tape off before it completely cured. And that looks like it came out real nice. So, we're going to let all this stuff sit here. I got the heat cranked up in the garage here. We're going to let this dry real good. And tomorrow I'm going to clean up my mess. And hopefully near the end of the week I can start the wet sanding process, get those runs out and a couple of nibs, but it won't take much. If it wasn't for that one run and a couple nibs, I wouldn't even touch this dash. It looks that good. That paint laid down real nice. So one more thing done.